Hello guys, today session we are going to learn about operators. Okay, so first let's see how many type of operator Python have. So I'm going to make a chart like Python operators. Okay, so Python is having basically first is arithmetic operator, the second one is comparison, third one is assignment, and the fourth one is logical, and one more we have, that is the fifth one, that is the bitwise. Other than that, it can be some more type of, but broadly these are the names. Basically, ye name ye. Okay. So we are going to see one by one all the operators. Okay. So let's see first what are this arithmetic operator. Okay. I'm coming here and making this arithmetic operator. Okay, so arithmetic operator, it is totally related to your mathematics. Okay, so what are those operator? So first, let's see what is operator basically. If you are writing something like a plus b, okay, so a and b both are called operands, and plus is operator. Okay, so this is your operator. Now we are talking about arithmetic. Okay, I'm writing again. So don't check the handwriting. Okay, it is little weird. Okay, no issue, no issue. So arithmetic is basically plus, minus, multiplication, multiplications. This is star is basically for multiplication, slash is division, and this is the percentage. Okay, basically we call this operator is modulus operator. Okay, I will talk about this modulus, and after that this is another thing that is called floor division. Floor division. So floor division is different from division operator. मतलब ये अलग है and this is a different. Okay, so floor division, and इसके अलावा one more operator we have, that is called exponential. This is called exponential, or you can say that exponent operator. Okay. Okay, so let's see. We need to see like plus, minus, multiply, and division. Till here, I hope everyone knows because we already learning in maths. One main thing is the modulus, is the floor, and after that we need to check the exponent. Okay, one by one we will see. Okay, now let's see the modulus. So this is the modulus operator. Basically, what it will give you? It will give you the remainder. Remainder means, for example, if I have written 12 percentage 9, let's say. Okay, so 12 percentage 9. Okay, so what will be the remainder here? How can you check? Okay, so easy method, like everyone know that division. Okay, 12, 9 ones are 9. When you're dividing 12 minus 9, it will be 3. So 3. So if you are writing like you have taken the variable a is equal to 12, and you have taken another variable b equal to 9, and you are doing the print statement in Python, you are writing print 12 percentage 9. What it will give you? It will give you 3. Okay. What is 3? This is the remainder. Okay, this is the remainder. So that is the use of percentage operator. Okay, now the next thing that I talked about, that is the floor division. Okay, floor division operator. So what is the name? Floor division. So floor division means like it is giving you the value, that is the floor value of a number. For example, let's see again, a number like 20 divided by 3. If I'm going to do 20 divided by 3, so if I'm talking about like 3, so it will be like 3 6 are 18, and here 2, and again we need to put a decimal, and 6.6 20, sorry, 18, and again 2, so it will be a non-terminating decimal. It will give you 6.6, 6.666. Okay, something like that. Okay, understood. Now what we need to do, what is the floor division? So if I'm talking about 6.6, so this number is in middle of, it is in the middle of 6 and 7. So 6 will be the floor. Okay, 6 will be the floor and 7 will be the ceiling, so it will give you 6. Okay, it will give you 6. If you're writing print 20 floor division 3, it will give you 6. I hope it is clear. Okay, now the next thing is exponent operator. This is the exponent operator. Okay, so exponent means like power. For example, like I have written 2 3. That means 2 raised to power 3. So easy. Okay, if you're writing, it will give you 8. Okay, simple. So now we need to see like how can we use all these operators in a Python code. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see how to write this whole operator thing in the code. Okay, so I'm using here VS Code. I have created a file operator.py. Okay, and let's see arithmetic operator. So why we are using this? What we have written here? We have written here the print statement. Okay, print 5 plus 3. That means it will give you the addition value. And if you are going to use any other thing, like if you're using multiplication, it will give you the multiplication value. Okay, here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to run the code directly. So at the bottom you can see, so print 5 plus 3 has given you 8, then 5 minus 3 is giving you 2, and 5 multiplied 3 15, and 5 divided by 3 this 1.6 is 5, percentage 3 is 2, and 1 5 raised to power 3 is 125, and 5 floor division 3 is 1. Okay, so I hope you remember this is the floor division, and this is the exponent, and this is the modulus. Okay, now let's see the assignment operator. Okay, or comparison operator. Yeah, so these are the comparison operator. As you can see, 5 greater than 3. So what is going to happen, because here I have not written in the if else condition now. So what it will do, it will give you either it true or false, means like the statement is true or false, that it will give you. Okay, so 5 greater than 3, yes it is true, so it will give you true. Here less than 3 is not, it is false. Okay, the same way all others are going to be happen. Okay, so let's see. You can see it is giving you true false true false false true. Okay, okay, now the next set of operators are Logical operator we will do in the next session. We are going to do the assignment operator. Okay, so these are all the examples of assignment. X equal to 5, so you are printing x when x is going to be, see here what is happening. X is having 5, so it will print 5 only. But when we are doing x plus equal to 3, that means 5 plus 3 will be 8. It will give you 8 here. Now again, x becomes 8. 8 minus 3 is going to be give you 5. Okay, so it will print 5 here. Then again, x, the value of x is 5. Then 5 multiplied 3 will be 15. Okay. Then again, now the x value of x is 15. So 15 is going to divide by 3. That means 3 5s are 15. So it will give you 5. Then again, 5 raised to power 3, that means it will give you 125 because this is a exponent operator. Okay, so let's see the results. Okay, you can see, you can match it. It is giving you 5, 8. Here it is 5, the first one is 5, then 8, then 5, 15, 5.0, 125. And here, okay, we have one more thing. This is the last one, that is 40. Okay, so guys, I hope you understood this is the whole operator thing. Okay, if you have any question, you can put on the comments. Okay, I will check and I will try to answer. Okay, and if you like this video, you can please subscribe and do like, share it. Okay, thank you.